Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, you ever heard of American pickers picking from the backwoods of America? You know, picking in the farms and stuff like that. You ever heard of Cincinnati picker? You ever heard of part-time pickers from Matt on YouTube? Have you ever heard of garage flips, where it used to be shed flips or whatever you call it now with Lonnie? Yeah, but this Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want to say, we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted y'all to see my new little spot over here that I just got together. You see it? Little Mellon Spot. And I remember, if y'all remember my videos, you remember it's all containers back there against that wall. I mounted my TV and I got me a little shipping area over there. My scale. My, I just wrap packages and stuff up. And I'm going to show y'all around in a minute. But first, I got to show y'all some stuff that I sold. You know, this all packed up. So I'm going to try to put inside this video, the pictures of what I sold. This some kind of makeup sponge for women. I don't know what the hell they do with this. They put on their face, wash it. I don't know. It's like 6 sponges in here. I'll put the picture on there and what it sold for. I'm not prepared. I think this sold for like $13 or something. This right here, let me see what this, if I remember what this is. I don't remember what this is, but this is this. This is whatever this is. Yeah, that's it. I don't remember what this is, but whatever. That's what it is. I'm sorry. This is the sponge. I'm sorry, right? This right here is a filter, a charcoal water replacement filter. I told y'all how I like to sell filters. This is it. This sold for $9 and something, and it's just 2 little bitty filters. I don't understand that, but whatever. This right here is the sponges. I guess. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna say this the sponges right here. It's like $15. This right here. It's a Dreamcast. It's a Dreamcast games. Scary games. The Veronica, whatever that is, games. I don't know, whatever it is. Dreamcast. It's 2 discs in here. It came in a 2 disc section. It's $15.99. Dreamcast. This right here is $26. It's a PS2 game. I'll put it on the screen for you. It's a PS2 game right here. I forgot the name of that too. But I put it on the screen. Whatever. Y'all just bear with me because I didn't decide to make this video till after I wrapped all this stuff up. This right here is PS3 Games. It's 2 games. I put them in as a lot. The Fear games. You ever heard of Fear? It's 1, 2, and 3. This is 1, 1, and 3. So this sold for $29 right here. PS3 games. They weren't new. They was used. Okay. This right here is a hat that I sold for $14. In St. Louis, we got what they call arch ambulance, with the helicopters and stuff come get you on the highway when like say an ambulance can't get to you and they need to get you to the hospital fast. They send a helicopter. This is a hat that has the symbol on it. Somebody from Effingham, Illinois, was like 99 miles away from St. Louis, bought that. This right here is some kind of truck building kit for kids. I don't know. I forgot the name of it because it's wrapped up. But anyway, I'll put the name on there on the video. Everybody else put them little snapshots of what they sold when they talking. I don't know how to do that, but I'm going to try to do it today. I'm going to try to. All I sold was like 12 things. But let me show you what else. This right here, I got some like portable Pampers that I sell. It's 3 for $12.99 or 3 for $12.50. I'm sorry, 3 for $12.50. I've been selling these. I like I said in one of my videos, I bought like I think it was like 100 of them. I bought all of them and I put them in lots of 3. Selling for $12.99. They've been selling like that, But anyway, those are the items that I sold. I'm sorry, I did sell something else. I sell lamps. See that big box down there at the bottom? I had to make a box. So I sold a lamp. I had on there for $55. It's called a banker's lamp. I had on there for $55. Guy offered me $45. I took it. It's like $15 shipping. So it's going through FedEx. All the rest of this stuff, well, it's going through FedEx too. But all the rest of that's because it was over a pound. This right here was 1.8 pounds. Down there was 8 pounds, period. The rest of this stuff going through United Postal Service. Okay, now let me show you around. Y'all know, y'all remember my office. It was all jacked. It's still jacked up over here. See, it's still jacked up over there. But I'm getting this look together slowly. It's still jacked up, you know. But now I got my little space over here where I can weigh stuff. You see the scale over there. And all the games that I got listed. All the games that I got listed is on the bottom right here. See all these games down there? All the way back there. All the way over here. These games are listed on my my page. So to me, it's more convenient for me to if I sell one, I can just grab it from right here and pack it in an envelope and get prepared for shipping. You know, this is my wife area over here. So I got to get all this together because she's yelling at me and stuff. She make custom cups, glasses. This all her glasses and stuff over here. She designed cups and glasses and stuff like that. And yeah, that's all her stuff. But I got my stuff mixed up with her stuff because I was trying to get this area together. So I got one game that people been trying to lowball me on. See this game right here? So whenever you see this game right here, buy it. It's a Gamecube. It's called Def Jam Fight. I got this listed on my eBay page for $140. People been trying to give me $120 for it. And they want me to take it apart and send them pictures of the way the disc look and pull the sleeve out to show them that it's not water damage and all that, you know. But I've been doing it. You know, none of the people bought it yet, but people been interested in this. And I'll take the first $120 if somebody offered it to me. People offered it to me in an email, but they didn't take, because I got it listed for $120. I mean, $140 a best offer. I'll take $120. You know what I'm saying? So they didn't buy it, actually buy it. They just sent me an email saying they give me $120 for it. And I say, okay. And I never hear from them again. You know, but I got about 5 emails like that, you know. So I like my little area. And I got mounted my little flat screen TV on there. It's a 50-inch. I got another one over there. See that one? But I got like all kind of, you know, TVs and stuff. But anyway, what I do sometime when I'm over here, I just finished this. I just did this within the last 2 weeks. I mean, within the last week, I did this. When I got off work from doing both of my jobs, I'll put this together. This is an old door right here. Old solid core door. And I measured 22 inches off the wall out here. 22 inches off the wall. Then I used the other half for the shelf. So, then these cabinets down there. Y'all remember that I had a YouTube video that I made at Walmart. While I was there, these cabinets was on sale for $25 a piece. Regular price was $70 a piece. So I got both of them cabinets from Walmart on clearance. These cabinets I'm using down here. See these cabinets? This gray one. And that gray one over there. Then I got my boxes over in this corner. See my boxes? Over in this corner right here. I'm going to put a shelf over here though. Because I got to put my bubble wrap. And I'm going to put my bubble wrap up here in my my paper, my cardboard paper that I use to wrap sometimes. I'm going to put all that up here on this wall. And hold on, let me straighten this up. These are my envelopes right here. Yeah, so I'm getting it together, y'all. You know, and eventually I'm going to put, let me get you back around there. I'm going to put another piece right here with some, what they call piano. They call piano hinges. So if I got something big, I can flip it down. I can flip it down to make the table longer. So when I'm not using it, I flip it up on top of this. When I want to use it, I flip it down. So to make the table at least make it a little longer. But that's what I'm gonna do in the future. But I like my little area. It works out good. Eventually I'm gonna have this office cleaned out, and I'm gonna put all this stuff in containers and put it in the garage. So eventually this room is gonna be empty. I'm thinking about putting all my game systems up here and test games like my Dreamcast, my PS1, PS2, just the PS3, because it'll play all those. My PS3, my Nintendo 64, everything on this shelf right here. So when I test games, or put them in, might put them in this cabinet down here. And then when I get ready to use them, I'll pull them out. Either or. I'm gonna do something like that. If y'all want, y'all can suggest it if you want to, But let me tell you something. I'm gonna make a video on, because people been asking me how to sell on eBay, and I'm gonna make a video letting you know. Telling people how to sell on eBay and what procedure they have to go through and stuff like that. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I started off. That's why I got all these video games. I got hundreds of them. I got, oh my God, I got one on eBay right now. A lot on eBay right now. A PS2 lot. It's got 175 games, and it's got the gray PS2 and the gray brand new controller to go with the PS2. It's on there now for $800. People been sending me $200 offers. You crazy? That's $1 a game, almost. You got to be crazy. So I keep it forever, But anyway, I went through the games, and I went through all those games, and I got the most expensive ones out, and some of them are up under here. But I could have easily had 200 games in there, 300 games, 400 games. I got so many games. So I took all the expensive ones out. Anything that was over $12, I took out. All those games are worth in between $4 and $10. I took the $12 games out. If it had some $11 games, I took those out too. But most of them are between $4 and $12 a piece. So if I want to, I could just sell them games on eBay for $4 a piece, charge $2 shipping, and make at least $1 a game or whatever, So I can do that instead of selling somebody all those games. If I sell those games for $2 a piece, $3 a piece, that's $300 right. That's over $300. That's the shit. If I sell them for $2 a piece, it's $3 a piece. 3 times 175 is what? I don't know. I can't calculate right now, but that's over $400 right there. It's got to be damn near $500 for $3 a piece. So, you low ballers out there, come on now. Come on. That's at $3 a piece, them games. If I sell them for $3 a piece, that's how much it costs. That's how much I get. You think I'm going to sell it to you for $200? The most somebody offered was $300 for that. I'm not doing that. You offer me, I got on the low for $600. That's the buy now. That's the offer price. So if you offer me $650. So if you offer me $650, you can have it. But you ain't gonna get it for $150, $200, $300. You're not getting it. So quit doing it and watch my video so you'll know what I said. No, I'm just playing with you. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna do a video on how to sell on eBay. I want y'all to check my little area out that I just finished. And Matt, go ahead and use that knife sharpener. Get that paracord bracelet to your wife now. I know you want to keep it. But anyway, thanks, Matt. Hey, Matt from Part-Time Pickers. Y'all go see him. Anyway, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Either way it go, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And I just want to tell y'all that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.